How are you guys? This is IBU Learning, the place to develop your CAD BIM skills. In today's video, I am going to discuss about hollow core slab. This is used in building and it's part of the precast manufacturing. This is casted in factory and transported to site for installation. Strands used in this slab for pre-stressing and it's as per design. So let's see how we can make hollow core slab here in Tekla Structure. Now this is Tekla Structure 2021, a startup. I'll go to new, click on new tab. Then it is asking to give the name of the model. So I will say hollow core slab tutorial, and then this is for single user. Then I'll click on create. After a while, new model hollow core slab tutorial will be created. So now we are in 3D view. It's automatically opening this view. So I'll just press Ctrl P to see the plan view. If you will tab again Ctrl P, so it will show you 3D view. Now here I can see I have some grids already. So in this video I'm not going to modify the grids, but here you can modify. If you double click on the grids, this is the option, you can change and modify grid, but here I will keep as it is for now. Now we are in plan view, and if you will go to click on this application and component icon, you can do it also by pressing Ctrl F shortcut key, and then I am going to type here floor, and we can see here the floor layout is coming here, and floor tools, we have two options. I'll go to choose this floor layout. If you will go to double click here, it will pop up the properties of this. So we can see here this is hollow core and precast, and here the thickness of the profile, it's showing that HCS 265. This is generally available in different sizes such as 150, 200, 250, 265, 320 or 400 and so on. Sizes generally depend on the required slab area, span and loads, building loads. So here we will keep 265 same, and then just click OK and just start drawing the start point. Click on end point, and here and here, if you will click on middle mouse, it will generate the slab. Now here I want to just modify this. So if you press Alt key, and drag and select these 2 points. Just go to the point and right click on move special. Actually I want to drag it to 2 meter more. So this is my 265 thickness slab area. Here I will go to use different size. So again I will go to floor layout. I will double click and this time I will go to change. So how you can change, you can click here and you can see there is HCS different profiles. This time I'm going to choose 300 or 400 slab. Okay, apply. Okay, this time I'm going to generate slab from here to here. Next point is this and this, and then click on middle mouse. Now I'll close this. If you will go to press Ctrl P, you will go to 3D view and you can see this is our hollow core with 2 different sizes. Here I will go to change this color. So we can see color class, I can choose 4, modify, and I think this 3 will be okay. So this, like this you can change the colors, and we can see this is 265 and this is 400 thick slab. Here just I gave the angle to just show you, suppose if your slab line is angle, so how it is going to be cut. For the slab generally it's required the support or something, but here I just in this tutorial I am just going to create only slab. I didn't provide any precast panel or beam, supported beam or anything, or walls here. So this is the basic of the hollow core slab. So once this layout is completed, even you can do just select this grid, right click on there and go to create view, create some plans and layout. After that just click on create. We can see now we have plans and elevation as per the level and grids. So if I will go to floor plan, I'll click Ctrl I and I will go to plan at 0 level. Now I will go to here window, click on window and close all views. Now I will go to open 3D and hit Ctrl P to show in 3D, and then I will go to create floor plan at 0 level, and then I will go to window and I can use tile vertically. I mean just click on the plan 0 and then hold the control key and then click on another one. Also make sure this both plan is highlighted. Now go to drawing and report, and then here I can click on the create drawing, and from here I can generate the GA drawing. So here you can see 3D and plan is selected. Just keep selecting and then I can check this open drawing once created, then create. So you can see this is the drawing, layout and 3D is created. Now you can arrange it wherever you want as per your sheet and modify. You can change the scale. If you double click, it will come the layout, and from here you can change all the property will come here, so you can do it. Now I will just close this one, then I'm just going in the plan, and here I need to show you the strands here for the hollow core. So again I will go to click here and type HCS or hollow core to get the hollow core reinforcement strands. And I will double click to see the property. This is the hollow core arrangement here, and then I will just go to apply here. Once you click, you can see this strand is applied here. You can do one by one for all. And here if I double click, if I go to a strand, this is the showing for the strand. So you can apply and modify here also. Now for this time I'll go to generate the soft drawing, fabrication drawing from this hollow core slab. So here I will go to select object in component. If you click there, you can individually select one by one piece. So I'll just go to select this, right click, and then I will go to create drawing, and here I can choose cast unit drawing. Then it is asking to perform numbering. Okay. Then you can see creating drawing finished in the bottom of the information bar. One drawing created successfully. So if I'll go to check the drawing, just type Ctrl L, and then you can see here cast unit drawing, and then this is GA drawing. So just double click here, and then this is the hollow core slab what we generated now. If I double click here, and I'll go to change this PC hollow core, and then I'll click modify and then close. So you can see here this is your hollow core slab fabrication drawing. This is showing plan, 3D section, even it's showing the strand location also, and here the properties of that element S1, This is the volume of the hollow core, 5.28 meter cube, and this is weight. So like this you can generate the shop drawing and fabrication drawing.